Stakeholders. In a company, you have a lot of stakeholders. Like you have in an academics, you have different departments. Similarly, in a company, you have different team members. Basically, that is the department basically. So you have the engineering department where it consists of design, development, testing, basically R&D. They also do some analysis, CAE, CFD, and also some other simulation. And you have a purchase team where they procure the parts, and you have a costing team where they do the costing activities for parts related to the development activities, and also for manufacturing. And you have a sourcing team where the particular team will select the suppliers. Okay, so when you're taking the piston for automobile or even for aero engines, there are a lot of piston manufacturers. So the sourcing team will select the best supplier who can meet the design specification, who can meet the quality, who can meet the performance, and they select the best supplier without compromising on the quality and also the engineering aspects. At the same time, the cost also should not be on the higher side. So they compromise between the cost and also the performance. And you are a quality team, they will ensure the quality. And even supplier is also a part of the stakeholder team, because they are they are supplying to an OEM. Okay, and suppose in some companies they also hire some of the consultants who are retired from some big industries related to their subject matter experts. And finally, the voice of customer is also very important, which they will be looking into it. So the value is not created by one individual person; it is being created by different stakeholders. Okay. So what is value methodology? So I was talking about value, and I will just give you an overview about what is value methodology. This value methodology is nothing but a process. It's a systematic process. It is being used by a multidisciplinary team. When I say multidisciplinary team, these are all the multidisciplinary team. And this multidisciplinary team in an organization, they will be improving the value for the project. So when you are taking the Chandrayaan-3 our project, when I say value is going to have two aspects. One is function and the one is resource. To launch a Chandrayaan-3 project, it needs to perform some amount of functions, and it also requires some amount of resources. When I say resources, it is basically a cost. Okay, cost, time, etc. So now, how are we going to define the value methodology? It is nothing but a systematic process where we are going to have a multidisciplinary team comprising of various departments. They will be improving the value to the particular project, or it can be a product also. Suppose a two-wheeler company who is going to launch a new product, it's basically a product. Okay, or if you are taking a piston, that is also a product. Okay, it can be applied to anything, like it can be applied to a big project, or it can be even applied to a small product, or it can be even applied to a process, manufacturing process as well. Where we are going to analyze two factors. One factor is going to be functions, second factor is going to be resource. When I say resource, it's going to be the cost and time comes into the picture. So this value methodology process uses a technique which will enable the team to provide the highest value for their product process, which will help them to serve the customers. Okay. So this is the most important terms that most of you might have come across. Value analysis, value engineering. In short, it is called as value analysis is called as VA, and value engineering is called as VE. What is value analysis? Let us talk about value analysis first. So when you are applying the value methodology process, so when you apply this process to existing product or existing goods, say for example, you can take an example of the laptop, HP laptop. It is already being manufactured. So when you apply the value methodology, what I can say, value engineering is the one where we apply the value methodology for a product, and for existing product we apply value methodology, which is nothing but value analysis. You have different terms. Value engineering is called as VE, value analysis is VA, and you have the term called value methodology VEM. You can use these terms interchangeably. Instead of value engineering, I can tell value methodology, and instead of value methodology, I can take value analysis. But you cannot interchange value analysis and value engineering, because what happens? Value methodology is the one, means value analysis is the one where you are applying the value methodology for the existing product, and for a new product you call this as a value engineering. Okay, and this slide is very important. This value methodology is the process which will help us to identify the unnecessary cost, and it also helps us to identify the potential performance and also the improvements, and also to offer some of the alternatives, new ideas, new innovative thinking basically. Say for example, in automotive clutch, you have different friction materials. So when you apply this process, you get new innovative ideas as well, where that can be taken further without affecting the performance. At the same time, you can also reduce some of the cost parameters wherever it is applicable. And in some cases, you will also increase the cost, but at the same time, the function or the performance is also going to get increased through this value methodology. And this value methodology is not a cost cutting exercise. It's not a cost cutting exercise, or it's not a quality reduction exercise. It is, in fact, it's cost optimization exercise basically, and it's quality improvement basically. And this value methodology can be applied with the help of the top management.